In this video, I will show you how to send crypto from Kraken to Kraken wallet. To do this, first open up your Kraken wallet and click on Receive. Now select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer from Kraken to Kraken wallet. For example, I'll use Solana. So just click on whichever one you want to use and then it will copy the address. Then open up Kraken and then on Kraken click on the purple transfer button in the bottom of the screen and then select Withdraw. Now select Solana, or if you selected a different cryptocurrency on Kraken wallet, select that one. Then from here, go and choose how much you want to withdraw and go and paste in the wallet address. So paste in the one that you just copied on Kraken wallet. Then you can give it a description or name and then make sure the details are correct. Then confirm via email. So you will get an email address similar to this. Now just go and click on the confirm button. So now go back to Kraken. And then you can now again choose how much you want to do, then just swipe to withdraw. And now it will withdraw from the Kraken exchange to Kraken wallet. So I'll just wait for it to show up here on Kraken wallet so that you can see that it works. So it has been deposited and it took about 1 minute. So that's how to send crypto from Kraken to Kraken wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.